Good day, you are welcome to another edition of Sharing Trade Information on the Global Trade Tutor. In today's video and in this series of video, my focus will actually be on German market. German market is a very big market, and for what you can see on the screen, you will notice that German market actually imported goods worth about $1.5 trillion in 2022. So in this series of video, I'll be talking about different things that the German market import. And for you in any part of the world, you are looking at exporting, this will give you an idea of what you should be looking at exporting to Germany. From the data available on what German market import, the largest import of Germany is petroleum gas. And this is followed by cars. And this is followed by parts of cars. This is followed by crude petroleum, that's crude oil. This is followed by refined petroleum. This is followed by vaccine. This is followed by packaged drugs, and a host of others. But to see that the demand in this market is $1.5 trillion means this is a market you want to be. You know, the largest is the US in terms of import, followed by China, and we've done those two. If you are just joining, you can check the previous session of the playlist on that on our YouTube channel, Global Trade Tutor and Voice of African Trade. And then in this series, we're looking at the German market. Another interesting product that German import a lot, spending 24.2 billion to import, is paper product. Different kind of paper product. Different kind of paper product. And they are spending 24.2 billion to import different kind of paper product, used for different reasons and different purposes. But the amount is what is interesting to me. That just ordinary paper, although in various shape and form and sizes, this country is spending 24.2 billion. Top on the list, kaolin coated paper, 12.3%. Then you know sometimes paper is used to create containers. Containers used to carry stuff because they are biodegradable. They are used to produce baskets. Paper container, 10%. Tissue paper or toilet paper, 9.83%. Sulfate chemical wood pulp, 7.81%. Brochures, 6.87%. Craft paper, 6.43%. Cellulose fiber paper, 5.56%. Uncoated paper, 5.02%. Recovered paper, 4.52%. Other printed materials, 4.34%. Even newsprint, what they are using to print newspaper. Newsprint, 3.93%. They also import newspaper, maybe like the like of the news, the like of Time magazine, for example. 1.98%. Tissue, 1.6%. Paper label, 1.53%. Notebook, paper notebook, 1.45%. Vegetable parchment, 1.17%. Shape paper, 3.61%. Cigarette paper, 0.69%. And letter stock, 0.58%.